You guys, check it out. We are tooling up to install a drop sweep on the bottom of a door. This is the drop sweep here. You route this piece up into the bottom of the door. When the door closes, this pin hits the back of the jamb, drops the sweep down. So this is a cool product when the door leading in, if you want to have a carpet or some area rug, gives you that height so you can clear that, but when the door closes, you're able to get some weatherproofness on the bottom of the door, cancel out any drafts, any noise might be coming in. So to get this honker into the bottom of the door, we use a nice thick bit on our DeWalt plunge router with a fence. We can lay the door out on its side, do multiple passes with that. That way you get a product like that in the bottom of your door. You're able to pop that sucker right in. Thanks for watching.